click on that cell that you want to fill for others. As soon as you click it, you will see this right down corner, right bottom corner. By the time you move your cursor to that place, it will change automatically to plus sign. And as soon as you see the plus sign, the next thing to do is to click and drag. Just drag it to wherever you want it to be. To copy that particular tree and paste it across the whole document where you want it to be. But another thing you can do is this. You can as well do it without dragging, and that one is the most efficient part of it. You can't be dragging it if you have a multiple row, for instance. So you have to do it in a professional way. Now let me undo what I've done. If I want it to fill down this place, I will click on that cell, come to the corner here, then double click. That is, you click your mouse 1 2, left click 1 2 1 2, and see automatically it has gone down to the last part where I want it to fill. Then another thing is, you can select that cell and click the fill handle. That is that one I'm talking about, that plus. Let me undo again. Undo means Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z means to undo what you have done, and to redo it you can use Ctrl Y to redo it. So you can drag the column just like I said, you double click it, or you want it to fill only the bottom part of it, just click the next cell to it and type Ctrl D, meaning you are filling it down. But this one is still one after the other. Ctrl D, Ctrl D. So this one will also waste your time, so you don't need that one if you are filling downward. So that is how to fill it. Another thing you can do, there's what we call sequence in Excel. Okay, let me fill this one. 1 2, let's fill it. Then I want to fill this formula for everything also. Let's click 1 2. You can see let's filled it for them. So that's what we call filling in Excel. Filling in Excel. Another thing is this. Let's create a new sheet, sheet 4. If I want to type number 1, number 2, number 3 downward like that, maybe I want to number from 1 to 100, it will be very tedious and it will be time consuming. So there's another thing I can do to make sure that everything just give me whatever I want within the twinkling of an eye. So what can I use for that? I can use my fill for it. If you don't want to use it manually, you can come to your home tab. Under editing, you will see what we call fill. To ask you, are you filling it downward, or filling it to the right, or you are filling it upward or leftward. But this time around, if I want to, where is our new sheet? Sheet 4. I want number 1 to, let's say, 100. All I need to do is to type the first data, which is 1. Click on that one, then go to your fill. Then you choose series. That is fill series. Clicking on that fill series, it will ask you, how do you want to fill it? Are you filling the row? This is the row 1, A, B, C. Let's assume I want to type 1 under A, 2 under B, 3 under C. I will choose row. And the step value means how many steps do you want it to be jumping. If I type 1 here, it means after this one, it will add 1 to it to give me 2. After 2, it will add 1 to give me 3. But if I type 5 here, it means after this one, it will add this 5 to give me 6. Add another 5 to give me 11. But we don't want that. Let's use step of 1. And let's say the last value we want is 10. It is from 1 to 10. Then click OK. Wow, you can see it has generated it in the row. But let's assume I don't want it in the row. Let's say 1. I want it down the column. So I'll go to my, after I click outside, click on that cell again, click fill, click series, then choose column. Let's assume this time around I want it in step of 2. That is, I'll be adding 2 to it. Then I want to stop at, let's say, 20 or 30. Let me use that. Click OK. You can see 1, added 2 to 1 to give us 3, added 2 to 3 to give us 5. Let me zoom the screen so that we can see what I'm talking about. So you can see that is how to fill. Instead of you typing it 1, 2, 3, 4, you can as well use that to get whatever you are working with. So that is filling of data.